they're gonna clear out the house.
Fuck, you can't tell both of them was on? I thought only one was on.
Like this.
What? What you talking about?
He got in an argument with
What?
I don't know, he left something on.
The stove?
Yeah.
You rent the galley.
Oh, he went the dogs in.
They're clearing it.
He's still glancing me. He's like, damn.
You let the dogs in?
They took a dog in.
I don't think there's no one else in there.
Yeah, but they always try.
Like, you gotta get the other guy down.
I just
Look at that good. It is huge.
Like, is this recording? Is that
Look at it.
That's what I'm playing, like something to explode before lunchtime.
I'm waiting for something.
I can't hear shit because
Yeah.
Preach on.
he's gonna get into the house.
This guy got
Oh shit, this is crazy.
Look at that, they're staring at us.
They're still staring at him too.
This is difficult.
Like they're still staring at him.
Oh, look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy with this. Oh, he did stare, okay.
With the dog on. Like he's recording up there. Like they're looking at him.
He's giving a bravo. I'd hate to be an officer right now.
No, they're talking.
Why ain't there no black cops? You're
Oh, he's gonna get him. Like, he's gonna get him.
Oh shit, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
gonna throw his ass in the car.
He got
The
the
dog's there, watch out, don't bite it.
You heard what he said? He said, why is there no black house on Hawthorne?
Hey, you better, if you're the shooter, you better aim right because I want to get shot.
Like they got chased. Imagine they get chased. Like they go get him. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better run in the car. He's gonna chase him. Oh shit, he's coming up.
Oh, you go knuckle up.
You're gonna throw him down the slope.
What is he doing?
Look at dude, he's going to the ground, dude. You're gonna throw that to the ground.
Oh, he took guys. He took stuff like that. He can't even carry. I like the dog. The dog wants to. Oh, imagine the dog comes out. Like the dog is walking. I'll let the dog out. I'll let the dog out.
Oh shit, the dog.
Yeah, the dog. Like he's trying to jump out too. Look, jump out.
Oh shit.
Hey, watch it! Watch it, watch it! Yeah, that dog. Hey, that dog is smart.
Get back, dude, get back, dude. He's gonna miss. Ciao.
Shot the dog. Man, he was a ghost. That